Croeso I Alawfa Cymru, lle dwi'n mynd I fod yn cyflwyno 20 alaw a ysgrifennwyd yn ystod yr 20 mlynedd diwethaf gan gerddorion Cymreig. Hello and welcome to Alawfa Cymru, where I'm going to be presenting 20 tunes that have been written in the past 20 years by musicians working in the Welsh folk scene. Mae'n brosiect gan Trac Cymru wedi gyradu gen I fi, Jordan Price-Williams. This is a Trac Cymru project that's been created by myself, Jordan Price-Williams. And in this video we have a tune by one of our fiddle heroes here in Wales, Lease, who's done a vast amount to reinvigorate the fiddle tradition here in Wales. Now this is a tune that I first learned with a Welsh name and thought that it was completely traditional, but actually it's not. It was written by Mike and originally its name was A Stone's Throw. I heard it translated as Tafliad Carreg, which means the same thing, but its original name is A Stone's Throw. Now it's called A Stone's Throw because Mike wrote this tune when he was recording just over the border in England, and someone pointed out to him that Wales is just a stone's throw away. Felly na ni, A Stone's Throw, neu Tafliad Carreg, gan Lease.